now. Okay, this design now is this. Look at it. So if you want to use it too, you can as well place it like this, and the clothes will look very, very beautiful. So what do you think about it? Which one is more beautiful? Is it to leave it only one like this, or to place it two like this? Look at another design. Very beautiful design. Just look. Very beautiful design. Okay, let's assume that we use this in. Let me bring another. Look at this cloth now. This thing is white. This cloth is white. I have not designed it yet. All these clothes you are looking at here are my products. You must not have a industrial sewing machine before you start making all these ready to wear clothes. With your blackhead manual sewing machine, you can make all these clothes, post online, and cash your money, your cool money. Even if you don't have shop, you can still do your business at home. You can do your business at home. It does not mean that you must have a shop before you start your tailoring business. People that are even sewing at home are the ones making it very well because they don't spend much. When you finish ironing it like this, just carry your sticker. Carry it like this and place on it. Just make sure that you are getting the center of it. Just check the two sides. Make sure that the thing is at the center, exactly at the center. How do you say it? So when you place it like this, the next thing you're going to do is to just carry something and cover it. Carry something and cover it. Then you carry your iron, your hot iron. Make sure that the iron you're using is very hot, and you're using pure cotton to cover it too. Don't use nylon clothes to cover it, so you not burn the thing you're using to cover it. So after covering it, you will just remove this thing and start peeling it very fast. Voila! See our beautiful design. Wow! See, very beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So imagine you doing this thing now. Go to the market and price polo. Go to the market and look at how the thing was before, like the plain one. It was like this before, and then look at the design. Then you give it a nice press. Voila, very beautiful. Imagine. So if you like it, you can send me a DM. Like, this design is not quite expensive. We have the ones of 200 naira per one. We have the ones we are selling for 500 naira per one. Even as low as 100 naira sticker we have. As low as 100 naira sticker we have. Very beautiful. Imagine, just look at. Very beautiful. And it does not spoil. No matter how you do it, it does not spoil. Look. Did you see anything spoiled here? Did you see? No matter how you wash it, it does not spoil. No matter how you wash it, the only thing, just whenever you're ironing it, don't use iron directly on it. So we still have other designs. Look at this design. Very beautiful design. Look at this design. This one I used to make this polo. This polo now is for big boys. Still have other designs like this thing now. Look at this, is 2-piece, just like the other one I showed you people before. This is the trouser. You can use it for trouser and shirts. This 2-piece is for sale, age from 3 years to 5 years old. Even some 6 years old children can wear it, depending on the body size. Then I'm not gonna forget my English. May I be correct? Typical Igbo woman. I know sabi speak English, but if not design, I sabi am. No be only this thing if I did do. I did sew children ball gown, women's clothing, joggers up and down, all those things. I did sew them. Look at this design. Just look at how beautiful the thing is. See another one here. You have different colors like pink, yellow, black, even purple too. Lilac color. So how do you see the design? See another design. This design is like this. It's not expensive, very, very affordable. Just 500 naira. We get this thing. Different designs. Okay, let's just check it on this one. Like this one now is not a sticker. This one is design. You need to use your sewing machine to tack it. You understand? If you want to use this design, just look at the way it is. Find the center of the cloth. Place it like this. Voila. Just sew it this way with your sewing machine. This way. That's all. The only thing you need to do is just to use pin and hold it first. Use pin and pin it down before you start sewing it, so it will not shift when you are sewing it. So we still have other designs. Look at another design here. Look at another design here. This is butterfly. Very beautiful on this white. If you place it on this white, Jesus. Chai! Negodu. Nah. Mwabugodu tomato juice. Negodu design. All these things you can do it by yourself. You must not wait for customers to bring clothes for you before you start all these ready to wear clothes. The materials are very much affordable at the market. I'm even selling the materials. So if you need it, just DM me. Write a DM. I go just deliver like design. So I am going to be placing different designs on this white now. Tell me the design that you think it will match this particular white well. So look at this one now. One. Look at another design here. Voila. What do you think? Look at it. Have it in different. Any quantity I want is available. Look at this one. So it's just very simple something. Okay, look at this design now. Digging chai. Nah, this one makes sense. So I bet that one no relax for shifts. Like I carry the one way relax keep. Imagine. Look at the design. Very beautiful. Very beautiful design. Can you see it? It makes sense, Jerry. It makes sense. There's still other designs, plenty designs. This one is not good for it. But if you think it's okay, if you think the design is okay here, just let me know. Those of you that are selling, that are sewing jersey, This is JC materials.